Recently I've been having a lot of problems with the weed eater. And we are going to fix it today. I'm looking for air filter and well this, but I don't know if it's the one that I. No.
That's the most common.
Thanks.
Thing that you do.
We got our stuff, let's fix the weed eater. Oh God, the hair. It doesn't really work the way it used to. I haven't changed the damn filters in like 4 or 5 years. I'm kind of tired of messing around with it all the time. We're just gonna solve the issue. Hopefully, we're gonna try to salvage this weed eater. I called my dad up and he told me to purchase this. Anyways, he told me to come and he said try replacing all the filters because it's losing power. So we're gonna do that. All right. So I got these little parts we're gonna replace. And good Lord, it's hot and it's still hot here. It's still hot in Texas. Oh God. So first thing we're doing is we're gonna change this air filter. I'm starting to see why it wasn't running because this thing is covered in gas. It doesn't even want to let air in. So the next thing the guy on YouTube said is to change out the spark plug and the fuel filter. So let's get that going. Careful. Here. I think the spark plug's located right under here.
Turn it this one.
Nice, it fits. Thank you. Anyone else know the joy of when you buy the tool and it fits the first time and you don't have to go back to the store? Because this guy just did. Gavin's excited too. Well, wait, Gavin, can I have the thingy? The little metal? This one. There we go. All right. Get this sucker off.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Okay. Woo! Oh, man. Woo! Oh, we're gonna need more leverage. There we go. Woo!
Got some tools.
Careful, Gavin. I'm really out of shape. So the YouTube guy said to take this thingy out, hook this thing. Yes, come on, get it, boy. Got it. I got it. So all we gotta do is just change out this little fuel filter with the new one. It's been 5 years. This thing is old as hell. Get in there. That thing was bolted on there. How much? Oh my gosh, it's so hot. There's something oddly satisfying about fixing things when they're not working, and the satisfaction that brings when you actually fix something can't be beat. Anyways guys, hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.